Hello everyone. Today we'll see examples on STDR. In the last class, I have explained one example based on STDR. I will consider the remaining examples today. Uh, in the last class, 5 marks example we have solved, and now we'll see 10 marks problem. Okay. For the following two villages, compute STDR and comment. So you are supposed to find out STDR for two different villages A and B. This will be the question. First column, they have given age. Second column, standard population. Next, village A, village B. For village A, they have given population and deaths. For village B, they have given population and deaths. So as this is a 10 marks problem, we'll solve it separately, so it will be clear for you also. Okay, and you all know that to find STDR we need ASDR. Okay, we are supposed to find out ASDR for village A and ASDR for village B. Okay, so now I'll consider village A. I'll write the same here. Age group, standard population. As you all know that this standard population is very important to find STDR. Okay, so I have considered only village A. I have written the same data here and deaths. Okay, this part I'll consider next. So now we are supposed to find out ASDR. First column ASDR. So how to find out ASDR? You all know that death by population into 1000. So 128 divided by 8000 into 1000. I'll repeat for the second one, 65 divided by 13,000 into 1000. Okay, so if you divide this by this into 1000, you'll get ASDR. Okay, so standard population is denoted by P. Age specific death rate is denoted by A here. Why A? For village A I am calculating, so I have written A here. If I calculate for village B, I'll write B for this age specific death rate, that is ASDR. Okay, so next column is P into A. This P into A. You're supposed to multiply this and this. 20,000 into 16, 30,000 into 5, 35,000 into 14, 15,000 into 63. Okay, multiply and write the numbers here. Get the total of this and get the total of standard population. Okay, so we are supposed to find out STDR now. STDR is equal to summation PA by summation P. P is standard population again. Okay, remember don't multiply by 1000. Okay, because already we have calculated ASDR. Substitute the values, summation PA and the summation P. Okay, you'll get 19.05. So highlight this one. STDR for A is equal to 19.05. Okay, you have calculated ASDR, so you have to write the formula for ASDR. Write it in a full form, number of deaths by average population into 1000. Okay, so what next? It is village B. We are supposed to find out STDR for village B. Okay, so here village B, again age group, standard population. Okay, same thing I have written here. Age group, standard population is also same, and population deaths I have considered from village B from the question. Okay, I have calculated ASDR, age specific death rate, 72 divided by 4000 into 1000. You'll get this number. 54 into 9000 into 1000. Okay, I'll get this number. So similarly do the remaining. This is considered as a P. Standard population is denoted by P. and this ASDR. For village B it is, so I have written B. Okay, so multiply P into B, that is PB. Multiply 20,000 into 18, 30,000 into 6, 35,000 into 14, 15,000 into 43. Write the numbers, get the total of this, and this is the formula. STDR is equal to summation PB by summation P. Substitute and get the result. Here it is 16.75. Okay, as usual I have written ASDR formula. Write it in a full form. Okay, so we have calculated STDR for village A and B also. Okay, so after that they have asked to comment on this, or you can write conclusion also. Okay, so you can write conclusion also. So what is the conclusion here? So we have to conclude here, compare this STDR for A and STDR for B. Okay, here STDR for A is more than B. Okay, death rate is less in B, that is village B. So if death rate is less, we can consider that village as a healthier. Okay, so for total fertility rate we have considered which is more fertile, which has greater value, that is healthier. But here it is opposite, that is death rate. There it was birth rate and here it is death rate. So death rate is less for village B, therefore village B is healthier than A. This comment carries marks here. It may be 1 mark or 2 marks sometimes. Okay, so but it carries marks, you have to write it compulsory it is. Okay, I have written here death rate should be less. Okay, that complete example carries 10 marks. Okay, so one more example I have considered. Find the difference between the two examples. That is very important. Okay, first of all STDR is very important for your examination. Okay, I will find out the difference here. They have not given standard population in the question. You are supposed to find out STDR. Okay, and you have to find out which town is more healthier. Okay, they have not given the standard population here. But in the example they have mentioned by taking town A as a standard population. Okay, so in the column standard population column, write the same numbers that town A population. Numbers of town A population you have to consider as a standard population. Okay, so in the question they will mention which population we have to take as a standard, or they'll give you separate column as a standard population. This is very important. Okay, so if you practice some examples it will be very easy for you. Remaining calculation is same as we have done here. Okay, so see here they have given the standard population. I have written the whole question here. They have written the standard population. This is previous example. Okay, and village A, village B, they have given two different data. Okay, the only change in the next example is they have not given the standard population column separately. You have to write the standard population here. So which we have to consider is town A population, because they have given compute STDR for two towns A and B by taking town A as a standard population. Okay, to avoid confusions, if you ask me, to avoid confusions, take standard population as a separate column. Okay, don't try to calculate in the same. Okay, to avoid confusion, make a separate column of standard population, then go as usual. Okay, so without any confusions you'll get the result and you'll get full marks also. Okay, if you are so confident that I won't make any mistake, you can directly consider this one. Okay, So as usual I have taken town A first, then town B. Okay, town A standard, that is age group is there, standard population we have to write these three numbers, so I have copied these three numbers. And population this I have written here. Okay, these two will be same because I have to take this as a standard. Okay, this as a standard, so I have written here and I have written the same number. Okay, ASDR you have to calculate 360 divided by 35,000 into 1000. Okay, you all know that. As usual, ASDR, calculate ASDR. Standard population is denoted by P. ASDR is denoted by A. P into A, get the total of this and get the total of standard population. The formula is STDR is equal to summation PA by summation P. Substitute and get the result. Okay, so next I have considered town B. Don't get confused with this, concept is very clear. Town B, I have written the same age here, same standard population here. For a single example, standard population will be same. Okay, only one standard population will be there for a single example, for one example. Okay, so I have written the same standard population here, and this population and deaths, town B population and deaths I have written here. I have calculated ASDR for this, 1000 divided by 80,000 into 1000. Okay, you will get 12.5. Similarly, do these two. This is P, this is standard population, and this is ASDR for town B. So P into B, you will get this number. Get the total of this, and you all know this is the formula. Substitute and get the result. Conclusion part is very important here. STDR for A is 10.94. STDR for B is 12.14. And conclusion we have to write. Okay, conclusion STDR for A is less than B. Therefore, I can conclude town A is more healthier. In the first example, clearly I have shown you how to write the conclusion. Okay, so same you have to follow. So we'll consider next example, that is 5 marks. But one more example is there for 10 marks. I have given you as a homework. Okay, I'll explain that. Now we'll consider this example, that is 5 marks example. From the following data, show that town B is healthier. To find which town is healthier, okay, to find which town is healthier, we have to find out STDR, okay, because they have given death rate. Okay, deaths are given, so we are supposed to find out standardized death rate. Okay, they have not mentioned here what I am supposed to calculate. Okay, so I have written a note here. Please concentrate on this. This is very, very important. The meaning of deaths per 1000. Here is a question, deaths per 1000. Okay, and death rates. This is a homework problem actually. Okay, death rates are given, and here deaths per 1000 is given. So what is the meaning of this? It is nothing but ASDR. Okay, they have calculated ASDR directly, so no need to calculate. Okay, now this is ASDR for A and this is ASDR for B. Standard population is given directly. Okay, this is considered as A and this is considered as a B. This is P. P into A, P into B. That's it. This is ready made, so it carries 5 marks. Okay, so I have written here. Here they have given directly ASDR, no need to calculate it. So next step is to calculate PA and PB. As this is a 5 marks problem, we can do it in a single table. I have considered here same age, standard population I have written here first. Okay, ASDR, that is deaths per thousand, is nothing but ASDR. ASDR for A same I have written, and for B same I have written. So I have done P into A here, P into B here. Get the total of these two, get the total of the standard population. Okay, so now calculation part. STDR for A, okay, substitute and get the result. STDR for B, substitute and get the result. They have asked you show that B is healthier. Okay, so if you see this one, death rate is less in town B. Okay, therefore what conclusion you can write is B is healthier. Okay, this is 5 marks problem because directly they have given ASDR. Okay, so we'll discuss some homework examples now. Okay, first example I have given this straight question. It is for two villages you are supposed to find out STDR. Standard population is given separately, village A and village B. Okay, so find out STDR for village A and for village B separately. Okay, this is very easy example, first example that I have explained now. Okay, next concentrate more on this. From for the following data, calculate standardized death rates, hence find which locality is healthier. Okay, so if you see the question, what you can means what you people will do is, this will consider as a population and this as a death by population. You'll calculate STDR, ASDR first. After calculating ASDR, you'll calculate STDR. Okay, that is wrong. This is 5 marks problem. Okay, how? They have given ASDR. So this is useless now. This population column is useless, and here for locality B, this population column is useless. Okay, this is A, this is B, this is P, standard population, P into A, P into B. Okay, this is 5 marks problem. Okay, you are supposed to find out which locality is healthier. Okay, concentrate more on this. They have given ASDR directly to get confused with this. Okay, don't get confused with this. They have given population for locality A and population for locality B. I think it is clear for you. This is 5 marks problem. Okay, we'll see next. From the following data, calculate standardized death rates for city A and city B. So in the question they have not mentioned which population you have to take it as a standard, but definitely they'll give you in the table. First column as it is age, and here city A, city B, population, death. Okay, and here they have mentioned standard population. Okay, A as a standard. You have to take these numbers as a standard population. Make a separate column of a standard population, copy these 4 numbers. That's it. Then remaining question as it is. You have to repeat the numbers. That's it. Okay, I think it is clear for you. We'll see next example. You're supposed to find out STDR again. As usual, age they have given, city A, city B. Okay, here they have not mentioned anything. Here they have mentioned standard population. For the column standard population, copy these four numbers, that's it. And remaining, calculate ASDR with the help of these two for city A, ASDR for these for city B by using death and population. But in the standard population column, copy these four numbers. That's it. Okay. One more example I have given as a homework. Compute standardized death rate for town A and town B. State which town A is healthier. This is 5 marks problem. Okay, why 5 marks? They have given death rates. Death rates is nothing but age specific death rates. Death rates, age specific death rates. Okay, so they have given ASDR directly. This is A, this is B, and this is P. P into A, P into B. Okay, 5 marks problem. Okay, so if you have any doubt, okay, if you find any doubt, you can comment in the same app. Okay, don't mail me, comment in the same app. You can ask me the question. Okay, so if you find any difficulties, you can ask me. Okay, this concept is very, very important. If you see the question paper of previous years, maximum you can see section D first question for 10 marks. Okay, for 10 marks, section D first question will be based on this only. Maximum question paper. So take previous year question papers, try to solve some more examples. If you find any difficulties, you can ask me in the app itself. Okay, you can comment, or you can send a picture of the question which you cannot find that. I'll send you the solution. Thank you.